the rank of the following matrix is, rank of the following matrix is, right. So this is a 4 by 4 matrix. So to find the determinant first, if determinant not equal to 0, that is the order, right. So that is the rank of the matrix. See, so this is a 4 by 4 matrix. So how we find the determinant? So it is very difficult to find. So see, this column you take, so through this column we can expand. Then 1 into, what is the remaining matrix? 2, 4, 1, minus 2, 2, minus 1, 6, 2, 3. 6, 2, 3. Right. So that is 2 into 6 plus 2 plus 2 into, right, 12 minus 2 plus 6 into minus 4 plus minus 2, minus 4 minus 2, right. So what I get? 16 plus 12 minus 2, 10, 20 minus 6, right, 36. So 36 minus 36 equal to 0. Then the determinant of this 4 by 4 matrix is 0. Then rank is not equal to 4, right. Now you can identify any 3 by 3 matrix whose determinant not equal to 0. Any 3 by 3 matrix, extract from this. For example, if you extract one 3 by 3 matrix, right, like this, right. So what is that? 2 minus 2 0, 4 2 0, 1 minus 1 0, 1 minus 1 0. So I extracted this 3 by 3 matrix, right. If that determinant not equal to 0, any 3 by 3 matrix extracted from this, if this equal to 0, you can select a 1 3 by 3 matrix like this, right. Alright. So here 2 into, right, 0. Now minus 2 into 0 plus 0. Oh, this also 0. So because one row fully 0, the answer, one column fully 0, the answer is 0. Right. So you can select like this. That is not equal to 0. Right. Then 2 0 2 minus 1 0 3 minus 2 1 2. So if you expand this, right, see, if you expand through this 2 into, right, 2 into 0 minus 3, right, plus 0, this through this element 0, plus 2 into through this element minus 1 into minus 1. This is not equal to 0, right. So that means the rank of this matrix is 3. At least one 3 by 3 matrix extracted from this 4 by 4 matrix whose rank, whose determinant is not equal to 0 means that is the rank of the matrix, right. The order of that matrix is the rank of that matrix, alright.